Welcome to our channel. In this beginner's guide, we will walk you through how to install Shopify on your current website step by step. This streamlined process will help you integrate Shopify seamlessly, allowing you to boost your online store's performance. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a Shopify account. First, navigate to the Shopify website and sign up for an account. Click on the Start Free Trial button, enter your email address, choose a password, and fill in your store name. Once completed, you'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard. Step 2. Choose a plan. After signing up, you'll be prompted to choose a pricing plan. While Shopify offers a free trial, you will eventually need to select a plan that suits your business needs. Evaluate the features of each plan before making a decision. Step 3. Set up your online store. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, begin setting up your online store. Add products by clicking on Products on the left sidebar. Upload product images, descriptions, prices, and inventory details. Make sure each listing is as detailed and appealing as possible. Step 4. Customize your store design. Next, go to Online Store in the sidebar and click on Themes. Browse through the available themes or upload a custom theme if you have one. Customize the theme to fit your brand by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts. Step 5. Generate Buy button. To integrate Shopify with your existing website, you'll need to use the Buy button feature. Go to Sales Channels in your Shopify dashboard, find the Buy button channel, and click Add Channel. Step 6. Create a Buy button. Once the Buy button channel is added, click Create a Buy button. You can choose to create a button for a single product or a collection. Follow the prompts to customize the button's appearance, and then click Generate Code. Step 7. Embed the code on your website. Copy the generated code provided by Shopify. Then, open your current website's HTML editor. Paste the copied code where you want the Buy button to appear. This could be within a blog post, a specific page, or even in the sidebar of your website. Step 8. Test the Buy button. After embedding the code, visit your website to see if the Buy button appears as intended. Click on the button to ensure that it redirects customers to the Shopify checkout seamlessly. It's essential to ensure that the functionality is working correctly. Step 9. Promote your store. Once everything is set up and tested, it's time to promote your store. Share the link on social media, run email campaigns, and consider using online advertising to attract more customers to your website. Step 10. Monitor and optimize. After launching, monitor your sales and traffic through the Shopify dashboard. Use the analytics tools to identify which products are performing well and where you can optimize your strategy for better results. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide on how to install Shopify on your current website. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more valuable content. Happy selling!